So welcome. Today I brought you to Radkin Park. It's a very small picnic area here where they have picnic tables. Oh my god. Got a few picnic tables here. So the way to the other side. They do have a fireplace. They have a fireplace, but I think it's non-functional. You can't use it. And I like this kind of bricks. I like them so much. This is a walking trail, so I'm just going to go ahead and walk around as I show you what's going on here. So it's a little bit dark, so I can't see what's going on. This is a stone. I don't know whether these are real stone. Oh yeah, they are real stones. So yes, so this is the stone, and I think it's a good place to sit on. Can I be able to go up? I can't climb up, but I can climb the smaller one. This smaller one here. That feels. So look, there is the picnic area. So they have good picnic tables. See how it looks like. Actually guys, let this weather not really fool you. It looks good and sunny, but for some reason it's just winter. So this is still winter time, so don't be fooled. So it's as cold as hell. Okay, so see, the trees have started budding, and I think we have like a few more days. We have a few more days of winter, or maybe 1 or 2 months of winter. And actually this is a walking trail, and there is a dog park on the other side. Down there is a dog park down there, but this is just a walking trail. So let me go back to the walking trail. I'm just gonna go walk around and show you around. So maybe in the next few months these trees will not be the same. They will be having a lot of leaves on them, but for now they don't have leaves. They are just budding for now. And as you know, like here in America, we have what we call time savings. The nights are longer and the days are shorter, and vice versa. So during the summertime, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. As of next, I think this Sunday, we are going to move the clock backward, so we can have longer days and shorter nights. We're gonna have 1 hour less of sleep. Okay, that I think according to the history that I learn or what I read, they say it's because of the western state where they do farming. They needed to do that so people can work long hours during the summer, and during the winter they move the clock back, so back to normal, something like that. I am not sure, but for those who are familiar with the history about the clock thing, go ahead and put the comment down below so we can learn more about it. Okay, so as we go, you know, that's a neighborhood. People live there. It's a good place to sit on and relax. Yeah, but it's getting moldy right there. Too good. So there's a puppy here running. So during the summertime, all this will be so green and it will be having a lot of bushes. Actually, it is also a botanical garden, whereby on the other side of the park or the walking trail, they have the trees that are named, so we know which kind of trees they are. So it's a lot of people walking around here, and we do have a pond, and some people do fishing over there. So, and in this area they have a lot of things going on. They have a playground for the children, and they have a tennis court. I think they have a basketball court, and the running trail on the other side. You can walk all through to the college. We have a college around here, Christian University. So maybe one day I'll take you over there so you guys can see it. So over there is some kind of business areas around there. I'll show you so you can see what's going on around me. So yep, but let me just stay on the walking trail so we can see what's going on over here. And see, oh god, the sun is so much on my eyes, but guess what, it's what it is. So just making my eyes squint a little bit. So look, the trees are very dry. They're like that, very dry trees. Walk, we may see some bunnies or squirrels, but at green or vegetation around, so that's fine with me. But when they come from the bushes without me seeing them, that scares the hell out of me. Out there we do have a pond. That's a pond right there, and people do fishing. Maybe when we come back I will stop by there so I can show you what's going on. And let's see what's down here. Keep on walking. Oh god, the sun is so much on my eye. We have a creek over here too, like it's a small creek. Like during the rainy season it has water, and during the summertime we may or we may not have water, depending on how dry like how much of rain we got during the raining season. Let's see. See, there is a playground down there. That's the children playground. It's a very good one. See over there. And there is another one down here. Let's see what they have over there. And the court, you know, the basketball court. I've seen a basketball court, but let me see where it comes. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a basketball court. Let me see. I haven't seen the tennis court yet, so maybe it's on the other side, but it should be around here. So that's the basketball court. Yeah, I haven't seen the tennis court. So that's the children's playground, and that places here you can sit and relax. Oh, me and dogs. Guys, have you ever had an issue like with dogs? With me, I don't know whether this dog sends me, because I'm always afraid of dogs. So anytime I walk by and in an area with dogs, the dogs always bark. So I don't know, because when I see a dog, me and dogs, we don't get along. So even if it's friendly, I have phobia. I have dog phobia. So you see the trees are budding. So maybe in the next 1 week it's going to be mostly green. I think this tree, they call it, is it I don't know, river bird? I think so. It buds earlier. So now we are going to go ahead. After the bridge, we are going to enter into the arboretum. So that's the arboretum, and mostly this arboretum has oak trees, all kinds of oak trees. So I've seen the oak trees, all kinds. I even get confused which kind is which. I cannot differentiate it. I have a history with this bush. There is some vines that grows on this bush. I don't know, you can see the leaves, how they look like. So these vines, whenever they are flowering and I pass by here, I itch a lot. I itch a lot, like non-stop itching. So I don't know what makes it, I don't know what agitates my body that makes it itch so bad. See, we have a little creek here.
Yeah, I think that's really how baseball is, except for they may have a freshman team too.
There's occasionally a freshman that makes varsity, but there's 20 kids on varsity.
So, oh, did you guys see there is ducks over there? Look at those ducks. See the, oh, the other ones are so pretty. Oh, I like those ducks. They're pretty, very pretty ducks. So this is a bridge. It's a bridge right there. So I'm gonna put my camera. Hi. No, you're not on camera. So this is the arboretum. So but still this is like just natural trees. Yeah, these are natural trees. Oh, did you hear the bird? God, that was really good. See, yeah. So quiet. See, it's very dry right now. Like, you wouldn't know, like during the summer, how much this turns like very green. So right now you can see through everything. So this is the first tree in the arboretum, but I cannot show you the leaves because there's no leaves yet. And I think these are the acorns, I guess. I don't know, not sure. See these ones, they may be acorns, but I'm not sure. So see over there, this is the natural trees. These are the natural trees. These are not grown, but I'll show you the one that, oh, see the bird right there. See another bird over there. There's a lot of birds over here. It's a lot of birds. Like during the summertime when we have the leaves and you come here, you'll see a lot of birds. See, this another. So there's a lot of trees here that have been planted. So it's another one over there. What I like is the birds. Oh, here's the birds. Look at the bird. Ooh. I like the bird. I want it turning around so I can see what it looks like. Oh wow, look at it. I like that one. Look at it. So guys, there's a lot of people walking around here, so I may not try to put the cameras on their face, so that's what I'm trying to avoid. So unless somebody wants it to be on their face, then I will, but otherwise I try to avoid that. Anyway, see there's also a lot of vines over here, like a lot of vines. It's like this vine here. During the summer I wouldn't walk here because it's so green. Like, see the vine over there, this one. It has good leaves during the summertime. You hear birds. I like the sound of the birds. Like, good. You see, it's a very teeny tiny bird. It's up there. You see it right there, right there. That one. That's it. See, there's a road down there. See, that road goes to Oklahoma Christian University. It's down there. It's down there, like you go down there. It's over there. So this road goes there. Actually, this walking trail goes all the way around to the university. See, if you look here, right there, there is a clock. So that's the Oklahoma Christian University over there. So if you walk, you follow the trail, it will take you there. It's another bird right there. See, and there is, see right there. See, all these trees are oak trees, but without leaves, guys, you cannot be able to tell which kind of. Actually, I don't know, but you can't tell without leaves. So maybe when they have leaves, I'll come back here and show you how they look like. But for now, you can't tell what kind of trees they are. It's just, you know. So there is also a dog park at the entryway. When you come into the park, there is a dog park on the left side. So we do have a dog park over there, and then there is a pond too. So when we go back, I'm gonna show you where the pond is. Probably I'll show you also where the dog park is. So that's the Christian University, and during the winter you wouldn't be able to see it. So we do have these notices here about tree planting. So they just tell us tree planting. So they give us those instructions when you want to plant the tree. So you see this one. they have started budding. They have the leaves already. See, there is also this one. This is a notification about the trees. Oh wow, I didn't know this one are budding purple. Wow. Wonder which kind of tree is this. Looks good. So that's the Christian University right there, as you can see right there, and that's the road that goes to the backside of it. And there's this, I try not to touch it because I don't want to touch it, just in case somebody, you may be allergic to it, so I don't want to be touching the flowers. Sometimes the flowers make me itch a lot, so I try to avoid them, especially when they are in the flowering stage. So I like this kind of pine. It's very healthy. And we do have an owl, a sculpture of an owl right here. So let me go ahead and show it to you. It's really, really big. Oh, wow. So when they put the flowers on too, very good flowers. Actually, seeds. Very cute. They're very red. Look at it. Very pretty. See how pretty that is. There's an owl right there. So let me just take a good picture of this. I'm going to take the two. So we are almost at the end of the arboretum. So, and that's how it looks like. So this is the arboretum. So it's almost like we go all the way at the beginning of the bridge. That's the end of the arboretum. So see how it looks like over there. I don't know. Oh, the tree that we saw the seeds over there, this is how it's going to look like, because these are the same seeds, I guess. It may be, that may be the name of it. Dot select. And the other one that I told you, that was next to the instructions on how to plant the trees. See, it had the purple leaves. So this is it. It's called prairie fire. Is it? So this is how it buds. So maybe I'll bring you back when it's grown so you can see. And this one, Hope Honeybeam. So this is how the beans looks like I don't know, they look like corn, small corn. Oh, okay, that's how they look like. So this one doesn't have any bats on there. Doesn't have any bats. So that's the bridge. See how it looks like. It's a very good bridge. So let me go ahead and take a picture of the bridge. Thank you. You can go ahead. So, and as you can see up there, there is something like it's kind of a fungus, but it's actually up there. It's a fungus up there, but they call it a mistletoe. So it's called a mistletoe, and there is a tradition here in America that when there is a mistletoe at the top, like in a house, when they hang it at the top and you go under. I don't know what it is. There is some kind of a tradition that I'm not really familiar about. So if you know, or if you are familiar about that tradition, let me know. Let me know what it is. So I'm not familiar with the tradition. So, but there is, I hear like, hey, you got under the mistletoe, whatever it is. I don't know. You cannot go under the mistletoe. Maybe you'll be married, or if you're not ready to be married or engaged, something like that. Not sure. So look, good, a lot of flowers over there. Tons of flowers. And this thing shows like there is a water pipe. So that's the blue thing over there. So that's what it shows. As you can see, so I'm gonna go this way. So look at the trees over there. I can't hear any birds at all right now. I wonder where this takes me to. Let me see. Oh, it takes me to the pond. So let's follow it. So this one will take us to the pond. Let's see what's in the pond. Oh, did you see that? Ooh, it's a very beautiful bird. Not that one, but you know, wow. It was red. There were two of them. I don't know where they went. Wow, that was really a cool bird. I hope I was able to capture it with my video. Very cool. So here is the pond, and okay, so this is the pond. Actually, as we all know, like Oklahoma is a landlocked state, so we do not have an access to the ocean or a lake, but we do have a lot of man-made lakes. But this is a pond. Oh my god, look. Look, it's a lot of ducks in there. See, there's a duck over there. There's a lot of ducks here. People come do fishing here. So look at those. I love those birds. Look at those ducks. They're very pretty. Let me take another video. So let's keep on going. I don't know where this route gonna take me to, but I'm gonna follow it until I get to the other side. So over here I think they did not pave it, maybe purposely to leave it natural. So they just left that vegetation just like that. So looks nice and pretty. So enjoy the view of the pond. So this is a natural, not natural, this, I think this is a man-made pond. So that's how it looks like. And during the summer it's very green, very green. And this is on the other side how it looks like. So, and those are offices over there. Actually there is wild berries here, I think blueberries. See, this is the vine of the blueberry, because I've seen them during the summertime. They kind of bloom and they make a lot of blueberries around here. So I've seen them. So see, it's a lot of them. See, that's the vine of the blueberry. That's it. It's like they're everywhere here. And see, that's how the pond looks like. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I was taking some pictures. Okay, so this is, let's see what else am I missing. Over there, those are offices. Down there, those are offices. Oh, here the ducks. I like this. I don't like these. See that duck? Like, it's very pretty. See those ducks? So there are different kinds of ducks. So you see. See that, the other color, see the other. Look at them. They're pretty. Very pretty. Look. Oh, no, why are they running away? I just want to see them. See here, crazy. So see them, they're very pretty ducks. Ah, and here they have a notice over here, like those are the fishing rods over there. So actually, I think in all the United States you cannot fish without a permit. You have to get a permit before you fish, and I think you have to get it from the city. And I see a little bit of the leaves over there. I don't know what are these like. See those colors? See those seeds? They're very pretty. They are red in color. See how they look like? I like the colors. I'm taking a picture here. Not the best. So that's how the left side of my walking trail looks like, and that's the right side. So I'm still keeping on my trail, still walking. I'm almost at the beginning where I started from, so that's what it is. And keep on going.
Yeah.
Some little trees. Actually, right now you can see through the trees, like you can see the ground, but during the summer you can't see anything. Everything will be hiding underneath it. So that's why I get scared walking here during the summertime. Like you cannot see through anything, but right now you can see through it. You can see a lot of stuff. Look, there's a very big vine over there. Like, see, it's a very big one. Wow, this tree is really, really big. Let me take a picture of it. Let me take a picture of the trunk, see how it's gonna turn out. Let me see. Take a picture. Let me see how it's gonna turn out. See how that tree looks like? Look, there's a bird over there. See that tree? See the other one? Very white. See, there's a lot of birds here. Tons of birds. And this side, a lot of birds. So here we are back at the picnic area. So look at those stones right there. You can sit over there, take pictures over there. It's a little bird over here. Surrounding them, looks pretty right there. See two more birds over there. Like this is not, I've not seen as many birds as the ones I usually see during the summer. So, oh, look at that. See that bird right there? It's very pretty. Let me see if I can get a picture of it. For I don't know that I'll be able to catch her. Oh, just went away. Oh, look, it's a squirrel over there. And I haven't seen bunnies. We do have a lot of bunnies here during the summertime, so I didn't see any bunnies. So let's go ahead and check out the picnic area. I don't think here they do have restrooms. The only restroom that you use there are outdoor restrooms, like the portable ones, but they do not have the in-house restrooms. So this is the picnic area of the park. So if you need some area to do like a barbecue, come have a little bit of a party, this is it. So just a little bit open area for a picnic. And it looks like it used to be a house. Oh, they have a fireplace there and another fireplace, but I don't think it's a functional fireplace. It looks like it used to be like a house. That's what it looks like. It used to be a house. Yeah. So this is the picnic area. Oh, look. It's a squirrel right there. See right there running. So the park is called the Beckham Radkin Park. Right, so this is it. So now we are outside here. Let me see. Oh, this is right there. And the dog park is down there, but I'm going to go ahead and show you next time when I come. I will take you to the dog park. So for now, that's all I wanted to show you guys. If you like the tour of this park, don't forget to give it a like down there. Give it a like and subscribe to Bokeh Jawan. Until next time.